Hey guys, TheRykerDane. So I need a table, so let's build it.
And so this is the end product that you're going to learn how to build in this video. It's a very simple design bench, but very strong and has 4 heavy-duty caster wheels for simple mobility. This super solid table is going to be great.
Okay, so last night I started building this and it was getting a little dark, and so I couldn't video any of my progress and what I was doing. So anyway, I'll show you right now the Kreg Jig. Let me show you the design first so you can understand what's going on. We're going to put this on rollers, caster wheels. So I'm building this all out of 2x4s because 4x4s are just really expensive. So I'm just going to make it out of 2x4s. So what you're going to want to do first is 2 2x4s for the corners. Then just use screws to attach these 2 pieces right here. Then we're going to use this Kreg Jig right here to make all these pocket joints. And then this is the top. So I'm using this kind of like shelving material. It's a melamine top. So I've cut that 32 inches wide so you can fit through most doors. Going 8 feet long, just using the full piece there to make this table. That way this table is nice and big. So I just wanted to show this design as of now. But the next thing we got to do is actually cut another one of these boards to put in because it's going to have to be notched out. Now, since I didn't use 4x4s, you can see I put one little block down here, and that is for these casters. So that's how the casters will attach and give you some extra meat. Otherwise, it'd only have 3 screws in it. This is what it would look like. You just have 3 screws in it. So I put in that extra block down there to be able to attach 4 screws, but a nice swivel caster. You can get these off Amazon. Hold like, I don't know, 1,000 pounds or something. Okay, here we go again with the Kreg Jig. This pocket tool is really handy to use. And I don't, like you may have seen, I don't use the clamp because it's just faster if you can hold it down with your hand and get it done without clamping. But, you know, sometimes you may need to clamp. Before we put this bottom shelf on, we've got to drill some holes so that we can attach the top without having to drill screws through the top. I've got this set at 1 1/4. I'm just going to put one in. Now once the top is put on, we'll be able to secure top with screws. Okay, so we got to notch out the sides, so the easy way to do this is just to make your corners just like the ones that you already have down there. Make sure you check your corners. I actually traced this side wrong. All right. Okay, so now we can flip this up our bottom. comes attached. And now it's time to put in our bracing on the top. Okay, here we go with the Kreg Jig. I'm setting this at 1.5. Alright, because this thing is so long, I'm going to put some extra supports here in the middle. Alright, almost getting there. Time for some cross bracing here. Like I say, go big or go home. Time to use the jig again to drill spots to hold the top on. And time for the top. And what I did was I made a 1-inch overhang all the way around. So now the next thing to do is get underneath the table and connect it and attach with those screws from those pocket holes. Now one thing that may help you with spacing is just cut a 1x1 with your table saw if you chose to have a 1-inch overhang. And then you can put that on the edges and then adjust your overhang just like that. Alright, top is on. And there you go. We are secure. Now, how are we going to move this thing? Oh yeah. Time to put on these spinning, pivoting caster wheels. Alright, 3 more to go, and I'm just using screws with a washer and this caster, which has a lockdown on it as well. So this is going to work great. Alright, 2 more. On there solid. Alright, these casters are really strong, and that's the brake. But yeah, these are really heavy duty. These are going to be great. So if you are interested in these, I'll leave a link down below. They got them on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link, just letting you know. But these are great. Okay, I think we're ready. And there we go. Unlock this one. Unlock this one. And there we go. We've got a table that moves around. This is going to be awesome. Yep. Now, it's time to make it look just a little bit better.
And after a coat of stain, this is what it looks like. It looks a lot better than the raw 2x4s. I use special walnut color that seems to be just right. Just use a rag and rub it on. It's really easy. If you do drip some on the white top, just use paint thinner and it'll wipe right off.
Now I've got it into place. This is what it looks like. Put it against the background, and this will work great for this studio table, but also I can store stuff on it. as well as if I'm done, I can take it out in the shop and use it to build something on as well. So anyway, hope this video helped. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.